I just got this portable high frequency generator, basically, really what it is. This is how it looks when it's disassembled. I'm going to show it to you how it's going to look like once it's back together, but it's really, really simple. There's a high frequency board that changes 120 volts into this voltage, whatever that is. I haven't measured it yet. And then into this huge capacitor. And then this screw attaches in here, and this whole thing goes inside, of course, before the screw can attach over here. This part here, bayonet style, which is click, turn left counterclockwise, and then pull out, and then you're gonna get this part. If you take the screw out, you'll still probably see a piece of this wire, not a whole lot of it. So take this screw off first. Otherwise, when this is attached to this capacitor, this wire is not long enough. And then here are the probes that you can put on, which also, by the way, have this high frequency, high voltage, very, very low amperage output. Okay, earlier I just said that you better take that top off first. It gives you some wire in here. The other advantage is you can stick your finger in when you're pushing in the capacitor that's in this part, and then make sure that you line up. There is a little corner cut off on the circular, that plastic piece that goes inside before the screw. Makes it so it's not spinning when you're tightening it up. And then here is the bayonet style, and I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but I'm going to try. So it's awful video, I know. Alrighty guys, so it goes like this. Okay, so it goes like this. Then you slide this in, and then you're gonna find here these little tongues, or little, that's what the bayonet, where that bayonet cutout goes to. And so then what you do is you find which spot does it go to, and then you push it in all the way, and then you twist it. When you twist it clockwise. Okay, so this is how it looks like when I turn the lights off here. But you can probably hear the high buzzing sound, and that's where that corona, or the let's see, I should really call it plasma, is created. And I might have to tighten up the screw. Maybe that's what the problem is, that it was buzzing, because normally it's not buzzing that much. Anyway, and as you can see, if I put it in a little, against a little darker, so this is what it's gonna do. It actually zaps me because I have it at the super high maximum speed, maximum output, and so I don't want to zap myself because it's not pleasant, but that's how it works.